Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start right now by removing anything that presses on the screen: case, magnetic mounts, and screen protectors. Once removed, clean the display with a microfiber cloth and 70% isopropyl, then dry it fully to rule out moisture. Next, force restart the device and boot to safe mode, or run a touch diagnostic app to confirm whether phantom inputs persist. These immediate steps separate hardware pressure and contamination from software causes, so you can act on the correct problem next. Now isolate software by updating the OS and all apps, then uninstall any app installed right before the problem began. Once done, systematically test the whole display. Use multi-touch and diagnostic patterns to map where phantom touches appear and whether they move. If ghost touch is localized to edges, inspect for screen damage, frame deformation, or a swollen battery that can press the panel from underneath. Make sure to avoid disassembly unless you have the right tools and experience. Otherwise, proceed to professional repair. To resolve confirmed issues, try software remedies first. Adjust touch sensitivity, disable glove mode, or enable palm rejection. If the problem continues, pursue hardware fixes. Replace the screen, reseat the digitizer connector, or swap a swollen battery. These are permanent solutions. Once repaired, retest in safe mode. If none of this works, back up your data and perform a factory reset. Then collect diagnostic logs and contact manufacturer support or an authorized repair center. Tip: capture video of phantom touches to speed up warranty or repair claims.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.